Hi guys, it's Sebastian here from Noble Frugal Studio. Just to give you guys a really quick thank you for 200 subscribers. Hi guys, it's Sebastian here from Noble Frugal Studios, and I'm so excited to announce the project that we're going to be working on for the next, I don't even know how long. The project is Castle Dark. What is going on guys, it's Sebastian here from Noble Frugal Studio, and I know I keep laughing about it. Every time I take a giant break, I'm just back. I'm refreshed, thankfully. Hey guys, and welcome to the finale of our anniversary week. This is all about the story of how I got started with OpenTunes. Hi guys, it's Sebastian here from Noble Frugal Studio, and now we have around 970 right now. Thank you guys so much. I wanted to have a video where I can just say thank you, because it turns out that Castle Dark actually has to be done by January, the first day of 2019. Pi is our charming yet sneaky main character. He's a good guy, but he's also a thief with a long record. Castle Dark Episode 1 is being delayed until spring 2020 due to several unforeseen production obstacles. At the moment, the film is in no condition to be released in time for the previous deadline of February 1st, 2020. So this is just going to be really quick, not really scripted here. I didn't really have time to put together a full video of what I'd really like to show you guys, maybe make a song, a celebration, because I'm working so diligently on Castle Dark and trying to get it done. But I just want to thank you guys for what you guys did for me. Viewing my videos, you may not seem like a lot, but it's a lot to me, so thanks for that. I always just wanted to get to 10,000, and now we're already past that. It's crazy. Hopefully we'll just keep going right on to the top. Thank you guys. I'm really grateful for what I got here. Just wanted to say that.